Hi guys, welcome to Photoshop tutorial, and in this video you are learning Photoshop tools. So in this video you are going to learn a red eye tool. So what does it do actually? Removes the red eye effect, pet eye effect, and corrects closed eye in your photos. So this is also one of the effective tool. Sometimes what happens while taking photo, particularly in the night, so because of reflection there is a red eye mark in the eye, so that really is not good. Okay, so to remove that, Photoshop provides a red eye tool using which you can easily remove that red eye effect. So let me show you how that works. So this is one of the image you can see here, the red eye effect. So what happens while taking DSLR, particularly the photo from DSLR camera, normally this kinds of red spot comes into the eye, so of course it is not good. So what I'm doing, just let's save this photo. Red eye 3, I'm naming it as red eye 3. Okay, now, and also I have other photo, so let me show you with this one, this child. Okay, so what you need to do is just drag here, but before that let's do one thing. Yes, see here that what I'm going to actually do. So you need to select this tool first. Okay, this red eye tool, and then select here. You can see the red eye is gone. Now it looks much better. Similarly, it's select here and the red eye tool, the red eye is gone. Now it looks beautiful, isn't it? So this is the magic of this red eye tool in Photoshop tool. And now I'm opening another one, red eye 3, which we just saved a few minutes back. Okay, so let's remove its red eye mark by selecting like this. It's gone and it's gone. Now it looks pretty, isn't it? So that's it in this red eye tool. It's a really very tool for particularly when you are working on the photo which is camera based, so if because of a reflection there is problem in eye, in that case you can correct this. So that's it in this video. Thank you.